Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can EZA this future Super Saiyan Gohan or Super Saiyan Gohan future like here. I'm not awake this guy in uh because I'm not used this guy unusable before, but I think I want to use this guy, awaken this guy to this one, Dokkan awaken this guy, and then I want to easy A this guy. If you do have this guy, it's worth to easy A. Let's get start. Tap the event and tap the Z battle. This one. This guy is together with Trunks and May. If you do have this Trunks and May, it's very powerful too. But let's focus to this guy. Extreme Z Awakening of Super Saiyan Gohan Future, and can max level under 140 and max super attack level 15. If you do have this guy, let's easy A because it's very useful. It's usable today. Not very powerful to like red zone and some hard event, but it's very useful in like Dragon Ball history or even Super Battle Road. And this super attack effect before is only raise attack, but in this easy A you can see raise defense force return. And also this passive skill is quite useful in Future Saga. And also do support Future Saga category allies key +2 and attack 30% and high chance of evading enemy attack. Let's get easy A this guy. Tap. If you do have this guy Trunks and Mai, you can do this too. Let's see the battle info. Effective when defending. So you have to assemble a team with Future Saga to become effective when attacking and also when defending. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.